Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I like to join a new Lockspot club, and it's a hashtag Vegemite Lockspot Club, and it's an Australian club. And I was told if I do this, I will be an honorary, blah, Australian. So what you have to do is pick an Australian lock. I got 3 here, all sent to me by E3 Logic. 3 Lockwoods. Hope I can pick at least one. But before, you have to take some Vegemite. And this was also sent to me by HP Logic, but you have to use a big spoon. Alright, so to make it really Australian, I will use some Australian made picks by the Butcher's Block. I have my diving cup. So in Australia it's a good place to dive. In that cup there's some Milo, which I got from Australia, also from HP Logic. And I will probably eat some koala caramel Dairy Queen chocolate, which was sent to me by the Butcher's Block. And I do have one Australian dollar, and it's a special edition, it's a Milo dollar. So yeah, that's all. It will not get any more Australian than this, alright? So I'm a little scared. The locks are closed. I only need to open one, so I will do my best. Got my picks here. I got the Vegemite squeeze, and so, oh my god, that's not enough. Can you see that? It looks tasty, doesn't it? A little more. It's a pretty big. That should be enough. Yeah. I don't want to do this. So, before I do this, probably cannot talk anymore. We do have the 1 Million Scoville Club, and we have the Mile High Club. The Scoville Club is from me, and the Mile High Club is from John Lock. So check out challengelock.com. There's like the pages for who's member and stuff. Well, I think this one is by One SpaceNet. Let me check. I'm stalling right now, as you can see. It is made by SpaceNet 1. Sorry. So, SpaceNet, if you need some support setting up a member page, let me know. Alright, here was nothing. Blah. It doesn't go down. Oh my god. Kind of eating it up. Dying. Good thing I had a lot of. It looks pretty clean to me. I had a lot of Glühwein before, like some spicy wine stuff. Oh my god, why I'm doing this? Butcher, thank you for the picks. They're great. Alright, one is open. I can switch anytime to something to drink now. This is a wafer lock, the red one. I will put in the description the names of the locks. Got it written down somewhere. Thank you, HV. Thank you, Butchers, for all the support. Cool packages and stuff. This one is also open. Oh my god. 3 for 3. I don't know if I can do it. I try. I need some Milo after this. There's a little announcement I have to make. No, damn it. A couple of people might remember I had a big giveaway for the birth of my son. And we will do that again, because my wife is pregnant again. Second child. We don't know what it will be. I hope it will be a human child, but we don't know if it's a male or female. I'm dying inside, come on. Anyway, there will be a new big giveaway for the new mini Panda, or the second mini Panda. And I cannot feel anything. We open. 3 for 3. It is open. So I will do a new giveaway. Estimated birth date is about 8th of June. So yeah, so we got this nice Lockwood wafer lock here. Pretty cool. And then I got this Lockwood Loto lock. Just poked it open. And this, I think it's Lockwood 242 or something like that. I don't know. I will put it in the description. Alright. Now I'm gonna have some Milo. Cheers, mates. Love the Milo. But it doesn't take the taste away. And we have some koala. That was hard. It's caramel. See that? Very tasty. Well, mates, hope I'm worthy enough. Spoon was big enough, I guess. I don't know why you feed your kids this stuff. It is nasty. But proudly Australian made and owned. You can keep it. No, Chocolate helped. Chocolate helped. I need to come over to Australia and do some diving. I haven't dove the Great Barrier Reef. I need to do it. But I hear it's healing and it's getting better, so the longer I wait, the better. Well, that was quite interesting. This little cup of Milo, I'd say cheers, mates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.